Hey everybody, I just figured I'd make a little video that says what my job is. I'm out here at a new water plant out by Ulaga, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. This is the outside of the building, brand new, just building it. Nice little mud hole. Go in here, this is the process building. In there will eventually be the lab once the electrician finishes putting lights in there. In here, it's really dark. We'll see if we can't see anything. Nope. It's going to be chemical storage. But here is the actual process. This is the filter building. Show you what kind of fun stuff we get to deal with here. We're in the underside right now. And we're coming up on the pipe gallery. This is where I spend a lot of my time. These are all the pipes that control the water flow in the filters. The gray blobs attached to the pipes are valve actuators that my company sold. There's 30 of them down here. I get to set all the limit switches and check all the operation. It takes about 2 days to do that many, counting all the problems and stuff. We also have some electronic sensors. That's a turbidimeter on the left and a loss of head sensor on the right. We use those to measure the water quality and also the amount of water in the filters. Go back out here. There's lots of stairs. We are now on top of the process, walking around. This section right here is the sand filter. It's made by Kruger. Water comes in here. That little black box is part of the flow meter. Again, something I deal with. It displays the flow right there when it's on. This right here is the top of the process. Unfortunately, you can't see underneath, but there's a bunch of mixing chambers and some really cool flow tubes underneath here. You can see a little bit of it right here. Water, after it mixes with chemical and solids set a lot, just spills over the spillway here and goes into this channel. Into the fun part. These are actually the filters themselves. Normally the water will be up over the top of these troughs. Down at the bottom there's a combination of media in varying sizes that the water goes down and through. Here's a close-up of one of those lovely actuators that I deal with all the time. Go down here to the fun part. This is the main control panel right here. This controls everything in the entire plant from that little screen or from these switches. This control panel is actually built in-house at Haynes Equipment by D3. Show you a little bit of the inside. All those lovely switches and pink wires. This is what I spend most of my days dealing with, the inside of these. So, close that back up. Go back out here. See how well we can see outside. That big tank out there, circular thing, is the clear well. That's where all the clean water goes when we're done. We store it in there. The two little ponds out there are where we dump all the backwash water from cleaning everything. And way out there you can see the lake. And that's where we actually pull the water from for the process. And that old big white building next to us is the old plant. So hopefully now you understand my job a little bit better.